Hello students, welcome to KBI's Q Cards YouTube channel. Today we will cover three next topics of speaking part 1. First one is haircut, second is water sport, third is bags. Vocab and idioms used in these topics are second bite at a cherry. It means another opportunity. Aquaphobia means fear of water. Elegant. It means stylish. Spacious. Having a lot of space. Huge means big. Stone throw away. Nearby. Once in a blue moon means almost never. And once in a while means sometimes but not often. मतलब कभी कभी. First topic is haircut. First question is, how often do you have a haircut? Okay, there are two sample answers. I cut my hair once in a blue moon only because I like long hair. Or I don't cut my hair because it is not allowed in my religion to cut hair. However, I change my hairstyle every 4 months. Second, how long have you had your current haircut? I had my haircut on my birthday, so it has been 6 months since my last haircut. अगर आप like sick family से हो and you are not allowed to cut your hair, you can say, for girls, as I shared earlier, I never cut my hair. However, it has been 4 months since I had my last hairstyle. Previously, I liked to have a braid, whereas now I prefer ponytail. For boys, as I shared earlier, I never cut my hair. However, it has been 3 months since I changed the way I tie my turban. Next is, have you ever had an unhappy haircut experience? Okay, there are three sample answers. First one is, yes, I vividly remember once I tried a new salon. Unfortunately, I did not read its review on Google. That time I had a terrible experience. Or, no, fortunately, I have never experienced this thing. I always check reviews on Google before trying any new salon. Or, yes, once I wanted to try a new hairstyle. I watched it on YouTube, but it did not work out for me. Next is, do you like to have your hair cut? Yes, I love to try new styles. Once in a while, I change my look. Or, no, I have a fear of getting bad haircut. So, I don't like to have haircut. Next is water sport. First question is, have you ever done water sport? Okay, there are three sample answers. First one is no. Actually, there is no facility of water sport in my hometown. So, I never got a chance to try any water sport. Or, yes, once I tried swimming when I visited to my maternal uncle's house. There was a swimming pool stone throw away from his house where I, along with my cousins, enjoyed the most. If I ever get a chance to try it again, I would love to have second bite at the cherry. Or no, as I have aquaphobia, I have never tried any water sport yet. Hope I overcome this phobia and could enjoy different activities. Next is, what water sport you like doing? I have tried swimming only, which I enjoyed a lot. Or I have seen people enjoying swimming. If I did not have this phobia, I am sure I would enjoy that. Are water sports popular in India? Water sports are popular only in metropolitan cities. In small towns, these facilities are not available. What kind of water sports do you want to try? I have seen river rafting and scuba diving in many movies. I would love to try those. Next is bags. Do you like bags? Yes, bags are very useful to carry because we can put many necessary things in them. What type of bags do you like? I mostly like spacious bags because I always have so many things to carry with me. Or I prefer bags with elegant look. It enhances my personality. Do you usually carry a bag? Answer is yes, the majority of time I carry a bag with me. However, the type of bag always differ according to the situation. What types of bags do you use in your everyday life? I mostly carry a backpack because I can keep a lot of school or office stuff in it. What do you put in these bags? While going to school, college, office, I keep books, laptop in my bag. In addition to this, I also keep my wallet and a small mirror in my bag. What sorts of bags do women like to buy? I think it depends on person's personality. Some like to buy a bag with huge space, while style and brand matter the most to some people. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, अगर आपको मेरे सारे स्पीकिंग पार्ट 1 क्वेश्चंस का पीडीएफ चाहिए तो आप मेरे ऐप से बाय कर सकते हो। लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दिया है। और अगर मेरे स्पीकिंग क्यू कार्ड्स का या फिर राइटिंग टास्क 2 के सैम्पल एसेस का पीडीएफ चाहिए वो भी अवेलेबल है मेरे ऐप में। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।